In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group email in Gmail. Creating group emails is not only a fantastic way to save time, but also an excellent way to ensure that your communication is streamlined when you're reaching out to multiple people. Whether you're organizing an event, managing a team, or just want to keep a group of friends in the loop, setting up a group email in Gmail is super convenient. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to Google Contacts. If you're already signed in, you'll see a list of all your contacts here. If not, just log into your Google account, and your contacts will automatically load. It's great to have all your contacts managed in Google Contacts because it syncs perfectly with Gmail, making the whole process seamless. Once you're in Google Contacts, you'll notice a menu on the left side of your screen. Here, select Create Label. Think of labels as the groups you are going to send emails to. Give your new label an appropriate name, something you'll easily recognize later. This could be as simple as Family Reunion or Project Team. Your choice should reflect the group's nature to make it even more intuitive to manage later on. Now we need to add members to this label. Go through your contacts and select the ones you want by clicking the checkbox next to each contact. You can choose as many contacts as you'd like. After selecting your contacts, click on the Manage Labels icon. It looks like a small label or tag. From here, choose the label you just created. This assigns all your selected contacts to that label, effectively creating your group. With your group ready, it's time to send your email. Open Gmail and click on Compose to start a new email. In the To field, type the name of the label you created earlier. Gmail will recognize this as a group, and all the email addresses under that label will be populated automatically. It's incredibly convenient and saves time, especially if you frequently need to email the same group of people. Compose your message as you usually would. You can add attachments, include links, or even insert images, ensuring your communication is clear and engaging. Once your email is ready, just hit send. The email will be delivered to all members within your group instantly. And there you have it. You've successfully created and sent a group email in Gmail. Managing your communications this way can significantly enhance your productivity and efficiency. Remember, you can always go back to Google Contacts to adjust your groups by adding or removing members as you see fit. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.